Why do 72% of church members want new opportunities to support their community? Because real change begins with new opportunities. Here's how your church can lead the way. Imagine a free, no-pressure workshop at your church, teaching practical skills like starting a home-based business that creates residual income, training that teaches long-term financial stability habits and how to build generational wealth, coaching on personal and professional development while learning industry secrets on a part-time basis. It's not a sales pitch. It's about giving your members real tools for growth, right where they are. Members who start a travel business could use it to help with organizing group travel, wedding planning, or international mission trips. There are no complicated requirements, no hidden catches, just a transparent way for church members to create financial security and help stabilize the community. We know your church's mission is to reach community families and uplift them with the love of Christ and the power of the Holy Spirit. So let's collaborate to empower your members to see more of the world, support your local programs, and help your community thrive. Ready to change the trajectory of your church? Reach out today and let's get started.